How to add subtitles to a YouTube video. So if you want to add subtitles to your YouTube video, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your browser, go with your YouTube and go with the top right, which has that profile option. And from here, you need to go with upload video option. So just go with create and go with upload video. And here you need to select the file that you would like to upload. So I'll just simply choose a video and then go with open and wait for a few seconds. And now you can add some description to it. You can add thumbnail, you can upload a file, or you can also go with auto generated or select the playlist in which you would like to add and just simply go with the next section, which is on the bottom right. But make sure to select this one, go with next, and it will take you to the next option, which is video elements. Now to add the subtitles, here you will have the option of subtitles, right? You just need to simply go with add, which is on the right side. But in my case, I don't have any audio on my video. But if you have audio on your video that you've just uploaded, then you will have the option of add subtitles. You just need to simply click on add, and you can add manually. You can simply type your subtitles, copy and paste it, or just add your subtitles, and then you can just scroll down and go with next again. And if you have any copyright issues, it will show the copyright issues. But if you don't have any, then you can go with next and you can upload. So under your video elements, you will have the subtitles option. You can add your subtitles from your video element section. So that's how you can add. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.